In this video, I'll test how long the batteries last on the new Bosch Professional string trimmer. Now this is the GRT 18V-33 or the GFR 18V-23. They are both exactly the same tool. I'll first go ahead and test the standard 4 amp hour battery, and after that the 8 amp hour and the 12 amp hour ProCore batteries. Now the goal here is to start with a fully charged battery, pull the trigger, apply full power and start cutting and not let go until the battery runs out. And even though the grass does look short, it is actually quite dense, so the trimmer should be running at a constantly high load almost all of the time. And this should give us a real life practical example of what we can expect when we're running the trimmer at full power. And here's a close-up look at exactly how dense the grass is. So here's a quick challenge. Pause the video right here and leave us a comment. Let us know how long you think the 4, the 8 and the 12 amp hour batteries are going to last. So while we're busy testing, if you want to see more real-life practical examples of how well this machine cuts both edges and different types of grass at both low and high power settings, I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video and also in the description. Also, if you want to see a full video review of this machine, including my thoughts and a couple of things that I think you definitely need to know before buying it, I'll leave a link to that separate video also at the end of this video and in the description. I also want to say thank you very much, and I appreciate you and all of your support. Now, if you are new to the channel and you would like to see more of these videos, please consider using the links in the description, or even just giving the video a like and leaving us a comment, as it's really very much appreciated. Also, something that I think we need to take note of here. This has been my unscientific runtime testing, and I think it is somewhat subjective, as there are a number of variables that can change and it will affect the battery's runtime. It won't affect the runtime very much, but there may be slight differences. And I mean things like the type and the thickness of the trimmer string that you're using, the temperature of the day and the battery, the age of the battery, Also the density of the grass and how quickly we are cutting or sweeping through the grass. That said though, this should give us a reasonably practical real-life example of what we can expect. So if you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know how these runtimes compare to the runtimes that you guys are experiencing, or possibly some of the runtimes from the various other brands on the market. Remember, I will still leave links to the other testing and review videos either on my left or my right here. Hopefully they come up on your device. Otherwise, check them out in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers.